I made it up. I made it up. It is a falsehood. That is not who I am. I made up a story just to please you. I made it up just to make you appreciate me. I spent 100,000 times of my heartbeat making it up for you. I made it up not because I wanted to hurt you. I made it up because I hate hills in love with you. I am below poverty line, but I love you. I made it up. I made it and I made it up for you. Nobody loves a poor, but I love you. I made it up just because I am poor. I took you for lunch and you ordered an expensive meal. I could not stop you because I love you. I made it up. I made it up. I pretended as if I'm full because I had to pay through the nose. I made it up. It was difficult for me to pay. It was difficult just because I am poor. I tried not to make up stories anymore. I tried to make you know the real me. I tried to make you understand me so we can know each other. But you did not love the real me. You love to hate just because I am poor. Nobody, nobody thinks about the poor. And nobody thinks about the father. Maybe, maybe the reason I think about it is just because I am poor.